Do you watch other people who dance salsa really well and wonder, why can't I stay on beat like them? But is there really a secret way to improve your rhythm on the dance floor? Well, in this video, we'll answer that question and much more, so stay tuned. But first, welcome to Salsa Goals, where we break down salsa music and dance concepts so that you can build up a solid foundation on the dance floor. So if you have goals when it comes to salsa dancing, please consider subscribing for all the latest videos from Salsa Goals. Now, many popular styles of music have just one percussion instrument providing the rhythm. But salsa music is what we call polyrhythmic because there are multiple percussion instruments all playing separate patterns at the same time. And this can sometimes make it difficult to follow the rhythm consistently. So what is the secret to staying on beat? Well, when many musicians practice playing an instrument, they sometimes use a metronome, which helps them to stay on beat. In the same way, the rhythm of the salsa song can serve as a point of reference, allowing you to stay in sync with the music. But although listening is very important, the secret isn't just about listening to the rhythm. It's about participating in it, almost as if you were a musician playing along with the band, and your body is the instrument. Salsa music is all about rhythm. Of course, each percussion instrument plays a rhythmic pattern, but so do all the other instruments, like the piano and the bass. So whether you are a musician or a dancer, ultimately, we all must become drummers. And that means that each step you take can be like the beat of a drum. And if you try to imitate the pattern of a percussion instrument with your feet, then it might be a lot easier to stay on beat. For example, if you are dancing with on-one timing, that can mean using the rhythm of the cowbell or the campana as your guide. On the other hand, if you are dancing with on-two timing, that can mean using the rhythm of the conga drum or the conga tumbao as your guide. But should you count out the number of each beat in your mind while you dance? Is that really the best way to stay in time with the music? Well, the answer just might surprise you. So stay tuned for the next part of this video series and we'll take a look at the pros and the cons of counting. So until next time, stay safe and keep dancing.